Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making these vampire cats, or maybe they're tigers. I don't know. But first, let me tell you about a cookie decorating class that I have. It's one class. You get to make 5 Halloween gnomies and 5 Christmas gnomies, so you're covered for both holidays. And it's not too late to sign up and get your Halloween cookies done. So check out the link in the description and find out all of the details. I hope to see you there. So back to this strange cat I'm doing. It's the last in the cat series for Halloween. Although to me this one might look more like a tiger if you did it in a traditional color. So I'm not really sure if it's a vampire Halloween cat or if it's a devil cat or if it's just a cat. So you decide. I'm going to show you how I did it anyway. So I started out by painting the ears black because I just want them to be in the background and be thin. And then I outlined the cookie with the red royal icing. My royal icing is too stiff. It's probably a 20 to 25-second consistency. So I recommend you use a 15-second consistency for this. Then I immediately grabbed my black royal icing, which is about a 15-second consistency, and I'm just going to make some stripes over here on the sides of the cookie. And because my red icing is stiffer, I will have to take my scribe and use an up and down motion to gently poke at the icing to get them to blend together. And then I just want to pop in a couple of eyes using some sprinkles that I got at Target. Then put your cookie aside to dry for about 10 minutes and then come back and we'll do the stripe at the top of the head using our black royal icing. I'll leave a link in the description to all of the products I used, and you can also get this cookie cutter in an STL format for 3D printers on my website. I'll leave a link in the description for that too. So here I'm just making a little triangle for the nose, and then I'm using my scribe to shape it. And then I'll go ahead and just give him a little smile. And then I'm going to set him aside to dry for another 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll come back in and put 2 little balls for teeth, and then use my scribe to drag them down to points. And then this little cookie is done. Vampire, devil, tiger, that's red. I don't know. You decide. Here's all the other cookies in the set. I hope you check them out. Subscribe to my channel for new tutorials all the time. And I'll see you later. Happy Halloween!